evening. Welcome to Georgia's Restaurant. I'm Rick Lassa, your food attendant for today. Can I have your name first, sir?
My name is Marcelo.
Okay, is there information here?
Yes, I have.
Yes, sir. Please come in.
Ano ba na?
So, what's the name of your reservation, sir?
Marcelo Abullo.
Yes, sir, Mr. Bond. Please take a seat first, and I'll check in our system if your reservation is there. So, please excuse me. Excuse me, sir. We confirm you that your reservation is in there. So, come with me. I will take you to your respective tables. So, here's your table, sir. Your table is table number 5. So, please sit. So, for our complimentary, sir, we offer a lot of drinks, sir. We have water, juice, any kind of juice. We have fruit juice and coffee. Which one would you prefer? One glass of juice. One glass of juice.
Where are the set
Is that all, sir?
There are salad.
By the way, sir, how would you maybe to take this?
One bottle.
This take your lap, sir.
Okay, ma'am. I will repeat your order, ma'am. 1 cup of rice, 1 bottle of
So just wait some few minutes, sir, and I will take your order, sir.
and by the way,
Wala ka na kung
ma'am,
ano, just.
would you like
Excuse
to
me,
read
bartender.
the
Yes.
magazine, ma'am?
Can I have one glass of grape juice?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
1 glass of grape juice for table number 5 is ready to serve.
Kitchen. Kitchen. Kitchen table number 2 has an order. 1 cup of rice, 1 chicken adobo, and 1
So
sandwich
here's
and 1
your grape juice.
salad.
Okay. Knowledge.
Would you mind me to exit first, sir, to take your food menu? One chicken adobo sandwich. One sandwich. And one sandwich. How about your drink, sir?
Excuse me, ma'am.
One
Here's
bottle of
your
Carlo.
food. And here's your desserts.
So I will repeat your order, sir. Your order is 1 cup of rice, 1 chicken,
I'll be back,
and
ma'am,
1
for your
sandwich.
drinks.
And for your drinks is 1 bottle of Carlo.
Yeah, please.
So,
Round
sir,
plate. Even round plate.
before that, sir, your food will be
120
your food will be served, sir, within 10 minutes. So while you are waiting for your food, sir, we have, sir, a Wi-Fi here to make you comfortable, sir, while you are waiting, and you will be enjoyed. Sir, thank you. Please, napaganda.
1 glass of grape juice for table number 2.
So for table number
Ready,
5,
sir.
1 cup of rice, 1 chicken adobo, and 1 sandwich.
Knowledge. Table number 5 is now ready to serve.
Bartending, can I have 1 bottle of Carlo Rossi?
Don't hesitate to
Yes. 1 bottle of Carlo Rossi is ready to.
On table number 5.
Okay. Not knowledge.
Paspas ko kami, G.
Sir, so here's your food, sir.
Diyan na red wine. Pagkatapos niya
So you ordered 1 cup of rice, 1 chicken adobo, and 1 sandwich and vegetables, sir. Is that all, sir?
Yes, that's all.
Okay, just wait a few minutes and I will take your drinks.
Wait, sir. Can I spoon?
1 spoon, sir. Sir, thank you. Sir, so here's your order sponsor.
Meron mo po rin.
Yes, sir. Just wait some few minutes again and I will get
Sige, pala ito, basic mo rin.
Bisan sandwich na lang.
Uy, okay na ito.
Pare.
Okay na ito. Basic mo rin na lubot namin. May, ako pa rin kumain.
Ayaw na. Ikaw na nito sandwich na sana.
Kami daw.
Kanina katapos.
Yung glass, ano?
Nagulaw na. Wala pa
Table
nga
number
yung
5.
nagdrama ko ng geography.
Wala pa nga kilo miso.
Abot ka.
I saw. I didn't know.
Yes, ma'am. This week.
Sir, ako yung punasan.
Ayun para po.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your cordial glass for your wine taster and your red wine glass for your wine, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. By the way, sir, how's your food?
Excuse me.
Is it delicious?
Thank you.
Thank you for that complimentary. May I excuse first?
Basta mo.
Hey,
Hindi, kuha mo sa. Tas egg.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sus, nakuan naman ini.
Full na?
Oo.
Hindi, full na. Wala ito. Wala ito. Ang three.
Kita mo ako.
Ikaw-tan ka ng jeepon.
Naman ni Chicha gamitin si kinakuan net iya.
bartender, can I have the Carlo Rossi ordered for table number 5?
Here's one bottle of Carlo Rossi for table number 5.
Sige na.
Excuse me, sir. So here's your red wine, Carlo Rossi. It is made from Italy and it is manufactured to Philippines in 1990. And it is 750 ml and 85%, 8.5% volume of alcohol. So would you like me to open the bottle for you, sir? Here's the cork of the bottle, sir, for your evaluation. It's nice. So, would you like me to pour it into your wine taster, sir?
Tayo,
So, here's your red wine, sir. How it tastes, sir?
It's good.
So, would you like me to pour it into your red wine glass, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
by the way, ma'am, there's the cut of the evaluation, ma'am. Would you like to? How's the smell, ma'am?
So,
By the way,
here's
ma'am,
your
would you like me
red
to
wine,
pour
sir.
it in your sherry glass, ma'am, for our wine tasting? Ma'am? Yes, please.
So, by the way, sir, if you have any further assessment,
Ma'am,
I mean,
there's your sherry
don't
glass, ma'am,
hesitate
for
to call
your
my
wine tasting, ma'am.
don't hesitate to call my attention. I'm here. I'm there at the bar station, and
How's the taste, ma'am?
we're willing to share you with a heart.
Would you like me to pour it in your red wine glass, ma'am?
Here's your glass. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Here's your
Waiter.
wine glass, ma'am. By the way,
So, cashier, can I have the bill for table number 2?
ma'am, mulagpat talaga ito niya ko na.
Table number.
Sige, tawag na.
Ano yan eh?
Okay. So here's the bill for table number.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. So, here's your bill for your order, sir. So, it is about 5,000 pesos.
Cashier.
Yes.
Table number 2, bill, please.
Would you pay Gcash or like bank transfer or credit card? sir?
Sige mo, sir. Ito.
Can I have your
Sim.
credit card, sir?
Tapos kasi rin nga, nagtutulogin po po.
So, can I have your credit card, sir? And you're ready for your verification, sir. Okay. Sir, thank you. Just please excuse me.
By the way,
Sir,
ma'am,
here's
here's
the
your bill, ma'am. What is
credit
your
card and the ID number on the table number 5.
cash or credit card? Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'll be back, ma'am.
Good. So here's the receipt for table number.
Okay, ma'am. I have received the total amount of 3,000 pesos, ma'am.
Sir, so here's the receipt
Out
of
of the back
your
for
bill and your credit
Ah,
card
sunod
and
din.
also your ID number.
tapos mabal pa ito, ma'am.
Oo, tapos, ano niya, sakay na niya.
Magawas.
Thank you for dining with us, sir. Lodges Restaurant. Hope you can be here. By the way, sir, do you have a car or would you like me to book you for a grab?
I have a card.
Thank you. Have a safe travel, sir.
Okay.